Kriya 6 Mahamudra, Great Psychic Attitude. In order to practice Mahamudra, you should be familiar with the following techniques: Ujjayi Pranayama, Anmani Mudra, Khechari Mudra, Shambhavi Mudra, and Mulabandha. You should already be familiar with the first three techniques since they are an integral part of the previous Kriya practices. Shambhavi Mudra, eyebrow gazing, and Mulabandha are now being used in the Kriyas for the first time. So you should refer back to these previous techniques. In Mahamudra, Mulabandha should be done without Jalandhara Bandha. That is, you should merely contract the perineum without contracting the throat. Mahamudra Alternative 1. Sitting position. The sitting position is Siddhasana for men and Siddha Yoni Asana for women. These asanas are practiced specifically to apply pressure in the perineum at the Muladhara chakra trigger point. If you cannot sit in this asana, you should practice Mahamudra Alternative 2 instead. Technique. Sit in Siddhasana or Siddha Yoni Asana. Make sure that one heel firmly presses the Muladhara chakra trigger point between the anus and the sexual organ. Hold the spine upright. Fold your tongue into Khechari Mudra. Maintain it throughout the entire practice. Open the eyes and exhale deeply. Hold your breath. Bend your head forwards. Be aware of the Muladhara chakra and the pressure applied by the heel. The first round starts here. Repeat mentally 3 times Muladhara, Muladhara, Muladhara. Then inhale with Ujjayi Pranayama and let your awareness ascend through the chakra kshetrams in the frontal Arohan passage. Swadhisthana, Manipura, Anahata, Vishuddhi, Bindu. There should only be awareness, no mental repetition. As your awareness moves from Vishuddhi to Bindu, your head should slowly rise. At Bindu, inhalation should be terminated and the head should lean slightly backwards. Fix your awareness at Bindu and hold your breath. Repeat mentally Bindu, Bindu, Bindu. Then practice Mulabandha and Shambhavi Mudra while continuing to hold the breath. Say mentally Shambhavi, Khechari, Mool while moving your awareness through the centers of these practices, being Mool at Muladhara chakra, Khechari at the soft palate where the tip of the tongue touches the upper part of the mouth, and Shambhavi at the eyebrow center. When you say Shambhavi, your awareness should be fixed at the eyebrow center. When you say Khechari, your awareness should be fixed at the tongue and roof of the mouth. When you say Mool, your awareness should be fixed at the Muladhara chakra. The rotation of awareness through Shambhavi, Khechari and Mool should be done 3 times in the beginning. With practice, this should be slowly increased to 12 times over a period of a few months or so. Then release Shambhavi Mudra, release Mulabandha, become aware of the Bindu again. Then exhale with Ujjayi Pranayama and let your awareness descend through the chakra trigger points in the spinal Avarohan passage, Agna, Vishuddhi, Anahata, Manipura, Swadhisthana. There should only be awareness, no mental repetition. As your awareness descends, do Anmani Mudra. When your awareness reaches the Muladhara chakra, exhalation should terminate and your head should gently bend forwards. Open your eyes. This is the end of one round. The whole process is summarized in this way. Bring your awareness to Muladhara chakra and chant mentally 3 times Muladhara. And gently raise your awareness as you inhale. Bring it to Vishuddhi and then take it to Bindu chakra. Here you start Mula Bandha, Kechari Mudra and Shambhavi. One by one, release Shambhavi and Muladhara and Mula Bandha and eventually come down from Bindu to Muladhara chakra. Now start the second round. Hold the breath while fixing awareness at the Muladhara chakra. Mentally repeat Muladhara, Muladhara, Muladhara. Then let your awareness ascend the frontal passage as already described. Repeat 12 rounds without any strain. Be relaxed and continue with your relaxed awareness. Breathing, practice Ujjayi Pranayama throughout. One round is equivalent to one complete inhalation and exhalation. Hold the breath while repeating Muladhara 3 times. Inhale while ascending the frontal passage. Hold the breath while repeating Bindu 3 times and while rotating awareness through Shambhavi, Kechari and Mool. Exhale while descending the spinal passage. The eyes tend to droop during rotation of awareness. Take care to focus both eyes towards the eyebrow center in Shambhavi Mudra. Try to be aware of the 3 centers at the same time. This may be difficult in the beginning, but it becomes easier with practice and effort. Rotation of awareness through these centers must be done with retention of breath. A reasonably long retention is required in order to complete 12 rotations. Therefore, we suggest that beginners rotate their awareness through these centers 3 times. Gradually, they can increase this by 1 rotation every week or so according to individual capacity until they can do 12 rotations. Under no circumstances should you hold your breath for longer than is comfortable. In the practice of Kriya Yoga, never force or strain the body in any way. Be completely relaxed and with your relaxed awareness. Continue your practice.